tomato, get a little bit of the cheese, get a little bit of the onion. Mmm. This is good. What's up, you guys? My name is Mariana and this is Vegan Señorita. If you haven't been to this channel before, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna show you today how to make an awesome, easy, vegan keto fideo seco. Let's get started. All right, you're gonna need a nice medium-sized spaghetti squash. Cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, and just go ahead and throw those away. You're not gonna need them. You're done scooping out the seeds, put them on a sheet. I lined mine with aluminum foil, and then just go ahead and drizzle some avocado oil, my favorite. I used about 2 tablespoons per half. Just go ahead and make sure it's evenly distributed and face them down. Okay, at this point, turn on your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put your spaghetti squash in for 35 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna use a full can of tomato sauce. Make sure that it's a non-BPA lined can, and make sure that it doesn't have any sugar added. Put that into your blender. And now we're also going to be using chipotle peppers. Make sure that they're in adobo sauce, and also make sure that they don't have a ton of sugar added. I used 1 full tablespoon. I like my fideo seco to be spicy, so you can definitely use less if you don't want it to be that spicy. You're also going to use 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, and blend that all together. And make sure it looks something like this. Okay, now we're gonna put our sauce into a pot and cook that down at medium heat for about 10 minutes. So I've turned on the stove at this point at medium heat, and now I'm just gonna cook down this sauce for about 10 minutes. That's all it needs. The spaghetti squash is in the oven. That's gonna cook down for about 30 to 35 minutes until it's tender. I'm gonna scoop out all the fibers and then go ahead and mix this in, and we're gonna have a vegan keto fideo seco. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our shirataki pasta. Make sure that you get one that is low in carbs. This one has konjac flour. And in order to prepare it, all you have to do is drain it and rinse it with tap water. And then just let it drain in a colander. Okay, in order to use the shirataki noodles to make a fideo seco, I followed the same steps that I made this sauce with and made a second batch. So I put the stove on medium, and I'm just gonna put this sauce into the pan and then cook it down for 10 minutes. Once it's been 10 minutes, you'll know if your sauce is thickened up because you'll get a consistency like this. And we're gonna add our shirataki noodles and just combine the sauce and the noodles well until they're fully coated. Alright, so I put the shirataki noodles along with the salsa that we made earlier, and I turn the stove back on at a very low heat so it doesn't burn anything. And I'm just gonna let the shirataki noodles absorb all of that sauce for about another 10 minutes. Now at this point, your spaghetti squash should be ready. So go ahead and take it out from the oven and let it cool down. Now once it's fully cooled down, use 2 forks and get all the fibers out. This is going to be your fideo. Okay, blend your spaghetti squash into your fideo sauce. And there you have it, a vegan keto fideo seco. This color, I'm excited to eat this. Okay, so I plated mine with a little bit of almond cheese, a little bit of diced onion, and some avocado. This is traditionally how fideo seco is plated. And this is the end result. A low carb, vegan, keto fideo seco, 2 different ways. This looks so delicious. I topped mine off with a little bit of chopped onion, almond cheese, avocado, and now the proof is in the pudding. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Get a little bit of avocado, get a little bit of the cheese, get a little bit of the onion. This is good. It's a little bit spicy from the chipotle, but it really does taste like a fideo seco. I'm so happy. I love fideo seco. So, see what that's like. A little bit of avocado, a little bit of the cheese, a little bit of the onion. This definitely feels more like I'm eating a cheat meal because the shirataki noodles really do feel like noodles in your mouth. And the spiciness of the chipotle, it's so good. Thanks again for watching. I really hope you make this recipe. Comment down below and let me know if you made it. The ingredients are super simple. I know you can find them at any supermarket or on Amazon. And if you like this video, you like this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now because you're gonna get weekly recipes, vegan keto weekly recipes straight to your homepage. So go ahead and subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.